This is a high-end flagship phone. It's not a normal retail phone because its positioning is relatively high-end. So the price will be a bit expensive. 5600 mAh battery, 5600 mAh. If there is a problem, the boss can call the factory. Can you play Black Myth? You can buy a GT14 to play. Our GT14 can also run Black Myth. 9010 can't even compare 8 to 1? The bosses don't care about these, to be honest. Can the Peace Elite picture quality be upgraded? It doesn't seem to work. I just took a look. But if you want to buy a mobile phone to play games, it's actually not very suitable for me. You can play some of these types Peace Elite, but it can't turn on very high quality. If it can turn on the highest quality only this, let me show you. 13.2 You can come to our offline to see how big is the difference between 13.2 and this. In fact, this phone plays games very little. The battery is 5600 mAh. I don't know if it can be upgraded. Let me take a look. It can't turn on the highest quality. It can only turn on HDR. It can't turn on the highest quality. Maybe there is no adaptation or the refresh rate is not enough. It can only turn on this HDR. This is actually not a game. Very few people come to play games mainly because of its craftsmanship and relatively high-end, this waistline and this camera eye pattern. There is a phone case. Let me show you. The phone case is like this.